Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable system extensions on Silicon Macs. So first of all, we're gonna have to turn off the laptop. To do that, navigate to the Apple menu in the top left corner of the screen and select Shutdown to turn your device off. Now, in case of Intel Macs, that is done similarly, although the next step is going to be entering the recovery mode, and in case of Intel Macs, it is done by pressing the combination of Command R keys simultaneously once you turn on your MacBook. Now for the Silicon Macs, we're gonna simply have to hold down the power button. You'll see continue holding for startup options message on your screen, and when it changes to loading startup options, you just release the power button and wait for your laptop to boot up. Now we're gonna have to select options, and this will redirect us to the recovery mode. Now we're gonna have to select our profile, click next, and provide the password. Now this only applies in case your disk is encrypted. In case it's not, you will see this menu immediately. Now what we want to do is select Utilities on the toolbar at the top and tap the Startup Security utility, which is the first option here. And after that, you're gonna have to select the policy option right here. But once again, if your disk is encrypted via the FileVault, you're gonna have to first unlock it. And to do that, click Unlock and then provide the password to your SSD into the following fields. Press Enter to confirm, and then you're gonna have to click Security Policy. And from now on, you'll be able to enable the system extensions, kernel extensions, by reducing the security level. So just hit the circle next to the reduced security, and then allow user management of kernel extensions from identified developers. And if you want to also allow the remote management, which is up to you, you can also hit the following checkbox. But for most operations, the first checkbox will be enough. And now just click OK, and to confirm changes, enter the password to your Mac account. Wait until the security policy is applied, and that's it. Now let's close this window and let's go to the Apple menu and select Restart. Now the system extensions are enabled, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.